Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the May Boxycharm and I'm really excited. There was a couple of options that I saw spoilers for. So one of them is a Glam Glow cleanser that I think is brand new if I'm not mistaken, and I'm really hoping I got that and not the other item. I think the other item was the First Aid Beauty, like a moisturizer, something really light and water-based, which is like not going to do anything for my dry skin. So I'm really hopeful. I did just like undo the little seal, or I cut it, but I haven't looked yet. I literally just got it, so I haven't had the chance to peek, and I'm really excited. Here we go. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the, I had it upside down. This is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanse. That sounds like something that I need right now. This one goes for $28. Not bad for a cleanser. It says it's a daily conditioning gel cleanser. It gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. What? Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. Nice. Okay, they are really stepping it up to have a vegan formula, and the bottle is so cool. So that's what it looks like. I've got to use this really soon. I have been loving my little Instagram videos about skincare. It has like no scent at all. I can't wait to try this, so I'll definitely let you guys know in a vlog what I think about this cleanser. But very excited to have gotten this in the box. It's already more than the price of the box just for this, $21 a month, and I'm doing the yearly subscription too, so it's even cheaper. So yeah, that's so good. That's such a good deal. That's the kind of cleanser I need. Right now I'm using one more for oily skin, and it's great after a workout, but using it every day is just too much. Like, I feel dry, and then I actually produce oil because of it. Because my skin's like, no bitch, you're drying your skin out. So okay, the next thing is the Dose of Colors Bittersweet Liquid Matte Lipstick. I got the shade, I said the shade, damn it. This goes for $18. It has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in a rich long wearing color, applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And I have to say, I really love the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick formula. It's probably one of like my 5 favorite ones if I had to pick. So this looks like a really fun color. I have been really feeling the more like orangey reds. Ooh, that's like a bright, really fun red. That looks really nice. So that is Bittersweet right there. I can't wait to wear this. I know I already love the formula, and I love that this is like a really bright, vibrant red. This is right up my alley. Yes. Already a $46 value. The next thing I have is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It says it creates long-lasting shimmering eye looks. Metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. This goes for $22. I have the shade Cupid. Maybe this is like a pinky shade. Oh wow. Oh, okay. I don't know, for some reason when it said cream, I was thinking that this was going to be a stick, but it actually does have a applicator inside. So let's swatch it. This color looks really pretty. Wow. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's just so reflective. That also went on feeling really creamy, which is weird. Usually in the more like liquid glitter formulas that you see, they can be a bit chunky. I'm tempted to just I just kind of spread some of it down to see what it would look like, kind of spread thin, but it's so pretty. Wow. Okay, I really like this. What the heck? I didn't know how I would feel about that. I really was expecting to pull out a pencil, so I'm very happy to see that this is a liquid, and I love using these over just like, I don't know, just doing a matte eye and then popping this over the lid is so pretty. Alright, we have the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and this is the Fair to Light, thank goodness, because I would not be able to use anything else. Does anybody feel weird about Boxycharm having this brand in their box? Like, I guess it's normal to just like support your employee and her brand, but I don't know, I feel like it's kind of a cop out. I don't know, I just don't know. Like the palette to me, the palette and the brushes, like it was cute. The actual shadows themselves were good. I didn't like the look of anything. It feels very like, I don't know, I feel like the brand doesn't have like a cohesive vibe. Like the mustard colored palette and then the green brushes and now this palette, I don't know. We're gonna check out this formula though. Maybe I'm being too harsh, but we're gonna see. It looks pretty nice. There's like an orangey one and a peachy one, and then a like soft pink in the middle. I really like the pink. I feel like they could have done something a little bit more varied since one of them is orangey and one of them is peachy. If you love peachy colored blushes, I think this would probably be right up your alley. This goes for $22, so I think that's very reasonable for what you get. The formula seems like it's going to be pretty nice. And I do like coral kind of colored blushes and peachy ones too. But it would have been nice to have like, I don't know, like a brighter pink and then a neutral pink and then a peachy one. Yeah, I don't know. That one is really orange for me. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that one a lot. We have one last thing. This is by Mellow. And this is a brow definer. It is $18. Okay, so here we go. This is non-greasy, easy glide, non-greasy? Do you have people have problems with their brow being greasy? I don't know. I mean, I've had some that are like too creamy, but anyway. Non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil. It is about to revolutionize your brow game. Triangular tip makes it easy for hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. So again, $18 for that. I also got dark brown. So I guess I would just use like really light pressure and go ahead and try this one out. Oh, excuse me, I thought it said dark brown. It says chocolate. Let's see. So I just did like some long strokes with the long side of the pencil and then did some little hair strokes. It looks pretty nice. This is a little bit creamier than is my personal preference. I like a brow pencil that's not dry, obviously, but just less creamy. I don't know, the way Brow Wiz is, some brow pencils to me are just too emollient. I feel like this one could be, like it's definitely a little creamy feeling in the pencil, but I'm still gonna give it a try. I'm always open to see, it could prove me wrong and be really awesome, so we're gonna give it a shot. And again, $18 for this. So total value for this box was $108. That is pretty darn awesome. And I didn't even show you guys the theme. It's make waves. Ugh. So overall, I'm pretty happy. I have to say, I would probably have been ecstatic with just the Glam Glow cleanser and the Dose of Colors and the Ciate. Those things I'm really excited about. That eyeshadow is so pretty. So yeah, I'm just very, very happy that I got this instead of the other option because I was really excited about this. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with this. I think it's a really good box. These two items I'm gonna try. We're gonna see. I don't want to be too harsh right off the bat because they could be really awesome. I do think I can get a lot of use out of these two colors in this palette, and I'm definitely going to give the brow a shot and see what I think. So let me know below what you think about this month's Boxycharm. I'm getting really hyped for June. I saw some good spoilers, and let me know, are you guys subscribed to Boxycharm, or have you been thinking about it, or have you unsubscribed? I know maybe last time I put up a Boxycharm video, somebody was like, I got rid of that a long time ago. I feel like every box is a little different, and sometimes I love it, sometimes I really don't like it, and I have to say this time it's pretty good for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you could take a moment to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video with a friend, anything that you guys can do. And of course, be subscribed to me. That means the world to me. But all of those things really help my channel, help me get my videos out there a little bit more. So thank you so much for that. And I do have one more thing to take care of. That is our dad joke. Singing in the shower is all fun and games until you get shampoo in your mouth. Then it's a soap opera. I'm done. I'm done. Bye.